Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Neo and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section let's find wallpapers and style. Now let's tap on the wallpapers, and here we've got some pre-installed albums, pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose the one we would like to apply. Right here we've got live wallpapers, which are animated options, and here we've got static ones. So of course, if you want to, you can tap on this icon and enter your own gallery and set some of your photos as a wallpaper, but let me choose something from the static options. Just tap on it, and here we've got all the options which are available in this device. So in order to check the preview, simply tap on the wallpaper, and as you can see, it will appear on the full screen. Of course, here you've got other previews, so you can change through them to check other options without the need to go back. And simply, if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so the lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it. And let's wait. And right here we've got an additional option, so the wallpapers, so the colors from the wallpaper can be applied to the system. It's up to you if you want to use it. I would like to, so let me tap on OK. Here we've got featured colors, so kind of pre-installed options, and the wallpaper colors. You can see that they have been taken from the wallpaper. You can simply tap on particular options and decide which one you like the most. Okay, got it. You can custom it also, so just tap on custom, and now you can freely choose it from the wallpaper. So just localize the colors you like the most and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately set. Let me maybe quickly choose the other option. Okay, that's okay. Alright, and they will be applied. Now we can go back and check the wallpaper, and as you can see, it has been applied successfully also. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.